little market recap because I came back for more today. So it was a roller coaster. Pre-market, I was $114 up, gave all back after the bell, and before pre-market, made it back, gave it back, made it a lot, gave it back, finished the day at 90, and then made some more money now because I saw something moving towards the end of the session. Let me show you what actually I was thinking. I saw LTRY making a move through the high of day. So what I did was I pushed a little bit more size based on the 5 minute. I'll time my 5 minute setup and thesis with my 1 minute entries, and it seems to have worked out today. So reports, let's go to the calendar actually. So I still need to dig out of this hole that I created yesterday. It was a horrible trading day. I just threw all my rules off the window. And if you look back here, this is unacceptable. All this hard work to make $1,000 and throw half of it off in one day, out in one day. That's unacceptable. If everybody's seeing here, I'm not a financial advisor, but man, if I can give you one suggestion is to be patient. Do not throw everything away. Do not YOLO like I did. Let's see if it messes up. Let me go back to this year, actually. Year to date. Overview. Detailed. Overview. Reports. Year to date. Yep. This is just a shame. Wow. Win-loss ratio is still good. 83-16, that's not bad. I just can't have those big blowout days and everything goes out the window. 48-50, I want this to be 51-49 here. Yep. So take it easy out there. Don't be throwing everything out the window like I almost did. Okay? So I had to literally stare at the screen all day to find opportunities, which is a good thing, but I mean, I wish I could just hit it off the park right off the bat and then just go have my day. But I hope if these videos are helping everybody out there, that is awesome. And if you guys go do your thing in the market, please do it with care and patience. It's the only suggestion I have. Okay? Trade your own risk, and I will see you guys tomorrow.